don't see too many of them with the 3 engines anymore.
Yeah, there's a lot of big jets up there.
Yeah.
Oh, UPS.
Yeah, they're gorgeous birds.
I liked that 747 that flew over earlier.
Okay, yeah, gorgeous MD-11 getting ready to take off here from Louisville International Airport, folks. Got a little plane spot in here from the water park here at Kentucky Kingdom. Here we go. I was telling Angie a minute ago that the last ever passenger flight on an MD-11 just a couple years ago on KLM.
Getting ready to take off.
And he's airborne.
Oh, look at him float.
Yeah, he just floats right on up above those hills. Yeah, they only fly these cargo anymore. The only 3-engine plane I ever flew on was the L-1011, which those don't fly anymore either for passengers. That's been years ago. Flew on the L-1011 with ATA and TWA. Both those airlines are long gone as well. There's another one coming out there too. Ooh, little birdie coming in there. Looks like another little Embraer.
Turbulence, that wind is getting him bad. He's rocking back and forth.
Yeah, it's a little windy. Feels good though.